Hi everyone, my name is Ankush. So in our today's video, I'll be discussing about what are all things that you can consider whenever you want to create your Oracle DBA resume. So when I'm working with the multiple organization, I work with the multiple organization like Cognizant, Infosys, then Wipro, L&T, and a lot of other organization. So fortunately, I got the opportunity to see the resume of multiple peoples, starting from very freshers to the experienced person. And there are some of the things which I thought like to share with you so that it will be very easy and you will create your resume by considering this kind of techniques. So one thing which I want to talk about the email ID and mobile number, because whenever HR want to connect with you, the first thing is they will check the mobile number, because obviously what they will do, like they will take a number from your resume and they will try to reach out to you. So try to keep this mobile number or your email ID on the top section only, because this is the first way through which the HR will try to connect with you. So my suggestion to you is try to keep this in the highlighted mode, in the bold mode, on the right hand side, on the top side. Now let's consider that you have completed some of the certification, right? So you need to highlight that certification part also. Let's say you have completed your OCA or OCP or any other certification related to the cloud. So try to highlight that part also, because whenever interviewer want to see your resume and if there is a certification mentioned, so the way we are looking to the candidate, it's little different. Okay. Now third thing is like, don't create a resume with lot of theory in that. So basically what I observed in the resume, that some people are creating a resume of 3 page, 4 page. So it's very difficult to understand that what exactly your core area, what is your skill set. So what my suggestion to you is, always create a resume with 1 page, not more than 1 page. And you don't need to write down about your project details also. I would not prefer to write down the project details, like whether how many people were there in your project and all those things in your resume. Because let's say when you are coming to the interview, that time we definitely going to ask you, tell me about yourself and tell me about your project details. So that kind of things you can explain in theoretically, and when you are talking to us, that time we can understand about the communication also. So no need to write down all those small thing into the resume. Another thing which I want to talk about, whatever tools which you have used or whatever technologies which you know. Let's say in Oracle DBA you are comfortable with the data guard, ASM, rack. So you can highlight all those technologies, all those tools in your resume. So like if I want to ask the question like, do you know about the data guard, I can directly see that okay, data guard is already mentioned, rack is already mentioned. So try to keep this core component in the highlighted mode. And there are multiple resumes are available over the internet. There are multiple websites are there, like the famous website we called it as a Canva. So you can use this Canva, templates are there. Just change your email ID, just change your name and keep these all those things ready over there. I will try to keep some of the sample resume also, so that you will understand the things much better way. So whatever things which I told you, like the most important thing which I talk about your skill set, always try to mention the skill set with the highlighted mode, like the core component like your RMAN backup, data guard, ASM, rack. Mention these things into the highlighted mode with the bold, and you can have some sort of background also over there, so that it will be like when we see the resume, we are not going here and there, we don't have time actually to read all of your resume. It's very difficult to understand, because as an interviewer we need to have some time constraint, and a lot of people we need to take the interview. So try to keep 1 page resume, keep your contact details highlighted there, keep your skill set in the highlighted and bold mode, and try to keep it as short as you can. And whatever things which you want to explain, you can explain it into the interview. So that is a small suggestion which I thought like to share with you all. If you have anything you want to ask, you can put it in the comment section. And if you are looking for a real-time Oracle database training, you can reach out to us. We have also opened our office in the Pune location. Those people who are coming from Pune location, they can join this training offline also. We have a training of Oracle DB, React DB, Golden Gate, and lot of other trainings are available in our institute. Thank you so much. Bye bye.